this one's my favorite. You can use this though.
Okay, if you want to make the house, then we are leaving and we'll make the house and moving. Okay, you're using this. Draw straight line
Up to here.
up to here and then we'll make it like this.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is 6 inches. And the other cut.
Now drawing the plan of the birdhouse.
Yes, we are now drawing the plan. This is the front side, right? So this is the front side. Is it maybe too tall, huh?
No.
No, okay. That's fair. Thank you. Just put,
We're not cutting over there.
so, here's how it goes.
When you're ready, I'll
What you do? Listen, okay. Holding always, we see this base. It always stays on top. You never will stays on top. You press slightly, not very hard. Not hard at all. Okay, man?
Here, Marco's not gonna do it well.
No, not.
Whoa!
How straight line. Perfect line.
Good job. Okay, now.
Make sure it's solid.
It's beautiful. Thank you.
Yeah?
Треба.
What are you doing, Dada?
I'm putting the pole into the ground.
Is it wobbly, Marco?
Okay. I think we are done.
cement. No, I'm just kidding.
I think we are done.
You realize the whole city can hear
Papa,
you.
we are making bird house and this is the pole that we are going to put the house on.
Okay, that's great.
Just put the pole into the ground.
And the rest is a surprise.
And the rest of the house is here on the table.
And this is the front.
And this is the stick for birds.
Okay, I'm trying to break this. And here
Here is the
is the
summer.
wonderful mystical hammer.
And the hammer is here, which is summer hammer because we use it in summer. I need it, Emma.
I also need it.
We put 2 nails here. See, 2 nails.
On my soul. Finally, you make me wanna say, whoa, oh, oh, oh.
Wow, Dada, you're a professional at this. Wow, Dada, you're a professional at this, huh?
I can do better.
You can do better?
Yeah.
Okay, then do it better. Here it is. Bring me these nails. Where are they? Okay.
Shoes, not
Don't
that
put
one.
all of
The
that.
blue one. The blue one.
Okay.
But where is the good idea?
That goes like this.
So what was the problem?
Can you move that stuff?
That goes like this.
Oh, so these nails were supposed to be that way.
Right.
Okay.
I'm gonna water your flowers.
The base. This is the base.
So remember, me, Dada, and Emma made everything. We put even the stick in this thingy in the hole. Yep.
So you are just
Well, I'm gonna go show you what we're gonna put it on. So it's a huge pole, as you can see, a green pole. This one is just, I don't know what it is. I'm gonna go on top of the ladder. So I'm still going up, still on the ladder. So it's the top. It's about that size of the tree right there. Yep, cool. I'm your host, Marco,
Okay, sleep
and
off.
bye-bye.
Okay, keep to Bobby, the sleep off.
Made this birdie house. I hate the color, just saying. And so yeah. So the thing is, when we're on the birdie house, see, it's raining right now. So right now it's raining, so we're not gonna hook it up, but we're gonna hook it up on the big green pole. Show the green pole. Show the green pole. Show the green pole. Over there. Over there. Very far away. Yep. Alright. Come back to me now. Yes, we're at the endpoints of people. Now, okay, so we measured every piece and we cut it with this saw that must be still plugged in, so you can like try pressing the button. And wait, I want to try pressing the button. And it made perfect lines, and it's perfectly well done. We used this to measure. Dada did the stick. We use this to measure. And what we're gonna do to attract the birds, as you can see, the bottom is right now not really fit right now. So right here. So at the bottom, when the place is put on, we are gonna put like birdie seeds. And No, who said we would do that?
Well, that's the best way to actually check birds.
See, this is a hole that leads perfectly on the pool. So when we put it on, it will stay, and it fits perfectly into the bottom of this.
So yeah, that's all we have for today.
The other way.
What?
No, like.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Perfectly into the house.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, guys.
Thank